bird. Once, there were two little birds in the forest. One bird was very hard-working. It woke up early every day. It practiced flying and looked for food. But the other bird was very lazy. It slept all day in the nest. It thought, "The hard-working bird will find food. I won't be hungry." As time passed, the hard-working bird grew strong, but the lazy bird grew weak. One day, a fire started in the forest. The hard-working bird flew away quickly. It was safe from the fire, but the lazy bird was too weak to fly. It was trapped by the fire. Looking at the big fire, the lazy bird felt very sorry. It thought, "If I had practiced flying, this would not happen." But it was too late. The lazy bird could not escape. This story tells us, hard work is the key to growing up and doing well. If we learn and practice every day like the hard-working bird, we will be ready when problems come. But if we are lazy and only depend on others, we may not know what to do when life gets hard. That can lead to a bad end. So, children, let's learn from the hard-working bird. Let's be hard-working and self-disciplined. Then we can go far and stay strong in our lives.